Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here you have the world's first dual X-pipe F10 M5, alright? The following mods, so just you know, 200 cell, high flow catted downpipes, stock, basically I would call it front of the mid-pipe X-pipe, and Meister Shaft GT haus exhaust, alright? Just did a couple drives with my bro. This thing sounds insane. That shit sounds fucking ridiculous, dude. It did not fucking sound that good before. Fucking love it. Oh, that's fucking sick.
Yeah, no, it screams. It's like, it's definitely louder, and it's like a clean ass, exotic fucking sound.
No more.
Was this where you did your donuts?
Yeah.
Not
it. Did you in this car? Yeah.
What did I tell you to do?
Oh, fucking. Stability's on. Stability's on!
Baby, don't jerk the car.
I gotta go on manual.
What do you mean? Switch the car manual? Somebody's alarm?
Sounds so glorious, mommy. That was magnifico. And I don't even have a verbal tune, but
Turn somebody's what?
that was just
Did you turn someone's alarm on?
probably. That was just pure fucking power right there. Oh, love this goddamn car. Alright, we're gonna let Greg do some revs. It sounds insane. Just drive it so we could hear the whistle and shit. This thing is a beaut, guys. Sounds insane. Freaking insane.
Yeah, it's definitely louder. And like you can hear the turbos, I think, a little bit more. Try it again. Pops, right? Rev it and let it spool down because I want to hear the turbos.